Hey everybody, how you doing today? We have the M51 from Samsung. As you can see, it's from Samsung Saudi Arabia. I got it from Amazon.com. I'll probably hit you the link down below if you want to buy it and also support the channel. So let's unbox the M51 we have here. And bam, there you go. You get the phone and look at it. It's stuck over here. It is stuck over here, but you know, we got SIM ejector tool, so we need to take this out. And we have the black version, and looks nice. Now, as you can see on the side here, it has a lot of stickers been put in here, which is really good. Now it's a glossy also, as in the frame, and it seems it's metal, so the frame is metal, which is really good. Now just see the phone here, as you can see, really beautiful. Now this is how it compares. Let me just put it here a little bit and see what we have in the box. So yes, baby, we have headphones. We have a pair of headphones and a headphone jack, as you can see. And because it's a Middle East version, we have the headphones and we have a USB Type-C fast charging cable, as you can see, as black. Yes, that's nice. And we have a 25-watt fast charging, guys. That's a cool little thing with, you know, this type of, as you can see. Now, how do I know it's 25 watts fast charging? Well, there you go. Let me show you. It's over here. 25 watts. Yep, that's nice. So we pretty much have a great package here from Samsung. Probably the best package I ever unboxed right now, like the newest one, other than the Realme X2 Pro. But let's just put this aside right now. And we have the phone here, and as you can see, Infinity O display, quad camera, 7,000 milliamp battery. This is the highlight of the day, 7,000 milliamp battery. And this is really nice, guys. And let's just take a look at the phone. And there we go, baby. We have a fingerprint scanner here on the right, volume up and down, very well made. Clickable, not very heavy sound, a little bit sound, no problem. So we have a microphone at the top here. On the left side we have nothing. We have a SIM ejector tool here. So let's actually open the SIM card and see what we have. So give me a second, let's find where is the SIM ejector tool. Let's see over here. There you go. So if we open this area over here, now this color is kind of like smoking black. It's not truly black, as you can see. It's like smoky black, which is really beautiful color, by the way. And do we have any? No water resistance. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, we have dual SIM card and a dedicated SD card over here. And it's actually made of metal with plastic together, as you can see the flipping of the colors. So that's beautiful. Okay, I'm starting to think to actually put my SIM card here and try the phone for a couple of days, probably a week, because this design is beautiful. Look at this. This is really beautiful. I'm probably gonna put a matte sticker on the back just to cover the screen. And here is, as you can see, the headphone, the camera. It's a very small camera, so we start. It has some juice, which is really good. Now we want to compare it with the Honor Note 10, the giant guy. It's almost there, guys. Look at this. Look at this. So the screen barely fit here. I want it to be starting. So let me just try to get this thing going first, just for comparison, for the sake of comparison. And what we have here, check this out. So we have a 6.9 inch Honor Note 10 and a 6.7 inch. It's almost it's the same. The screen is covering here. It's almost the same. That's really beautiful, guys. The width, no, of course the Honor is a little bit wider, but the Samsung is almost there when it comes to the thing. And here you can see the dot screen here. It's It's not that much of confusion, but when you play games, I think it's gonna be nice, really nice. This is the screen. It's almost as full. This is the chin. You know, pretty much almost full, almost full. I'm gonna say almost there. So yeah, that's a nice looking phone, guys. So that's a quick unboxing of the Samsung M51. Expect a lot of videos and benchmarks coming, guys, from this phone compared to my other phones previously. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Take care and see you later.